Looking for the best torque wrench and repair tools for 2026. In this video, we compare 5 versatile tool options for dental restoration, automotive repair, bicycle maintenance, and general mechanical work. From precision torque wrenches to complete socket and ratchet sets, these tools are designed to provide better control, convenience, and versatility for professionals, mechanics, cyclists, and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. 5 to 60 Nm High-Precision Torque Wrench. This 3/8-inch square drive torque wrench offers a 5 to 60 Nm torque range with a listed accuracy of plus or minus 3%. Its adjustable design allows users to select the appropriate torque for different fastening tasks. Suitable for bicycle maintenance, automotive repairs, mechanical work, and DIY projects, it provides a practical solution for users who need controlled and consistent tightening. Number 4. Tupper 15-piece Bicycle Torque Wrench Set. The Tupper Bicycle Torque Wrench Set is designed specifically for bike maintenance, featuring a 1/4-inch drive and an adjustable 2 to 24 Nm torque range. The 15-piece kit includes accessories for working on various bicycle components and fasteners. Its compact design makes it convenient for home workshops or regular bicycle servicing, helping cyclists achieve more controlled tightening during maintenance and component installation. Number 3. 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 Torque Wrench Set. Designed for a variety of repair applications, this torque wrench range includes a 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch square drive options. The listed models cover different torque ranges, including 5 to 60 Nm and up to 40 to 220 Nm, with an advertised accuracy of approximately 3%. Its two-way ratchet design makes it convenient for automotive, bicycle, and general mechanical maintenance work. Number 2. 150/46-piece Auto Mechanical Repair Tool Set. This multifunctional automotive repair tool set includes a selection of sockets, wrenches, ratchets, and other useful hand tools for vehicle maintenance. With multiple pieces available in one kit, it provides a convenient solution for different repair and servicing tasks. It can be useful for mechanics, automotive enthusiasts, workshops, and DIY users who want a versatile collection of tools for car and mechanical repairs. Number 1. Dental Implant Torque Wrench Screwdriver Kit. This dental implant tool kit combines a colorful torque wrench with a 10 to 70 Nm range and 16 screwdriver pieces for various restoration applications. Its ratchet-style design allows controlled tightening, while the interchangeable screwdriver components provide versatility for different dental procedures. Designed for professional dental applications, this compact kit can be a practical addition to a dental clinic or laboratory toolkit. These 5 torque wrenches and repair tool sets cover a wide range of applications, including dental restoration, automotive maintenance, bicycle servicing, and general mechanical work. Whether you need a specialized dental torque kit, a comprehensive automotive tool set, or a precision torque wrench for your bicycle, these options provide practical solutions for controlled fastening and repair tasks.